Hey everybody, this is 5.3. This is the last one that some of you need, but not all of you need this one. So this one is about the length of an arc. So you're gonna do geometry U3 and U4 and get to 70%. So U3 is length of an arc. So it says that there's the radius of the circle is 1 meter and the length of the arc is a 135-degree arc. So what's the length of it? So you're measuring this. Like if you had a tape measure and you could measure that, that's what they're asking for. So there's a formula for it. It's a fraction of the circumference. So the circumference is the whole thing around the circle. We just want part of that. So the arc length is the angle of the arc. So that would be the 135 over 360, because the entire circle is 360, times the circumference. Remember, circumference is 2 pi r. So we're going to stick 2 pi r where the circumference goes. Here I just rewrote it for you. So 135 is the angle. 1 is the radius. Okay. So what you have to do is ignore pi for now. Just pretend it's not there. Multiply 135 times 2 times 1 and put it on a fraction with 360 on the bottom. 135 times 2 is 270 times 1 is still 270. Over 360. An easy way to reduce these is the zeros cancel out. So you get 27 over 36, which if you reduce is 3/4. Now stick the pi back in. 3 pi over 4 is your answer. You can ignore my dogs barking in the background, sorry. So 3 pi over 4 is your answer. All of the problems are pretty much the same. U4 is area of a sector. These are all very similar problems as well, except now they want the area. So instead of using circumference, you're going to use area, okay? So our formula is angle over 360 times the area. Remember, the area of the circle is the whole thing. We just want this part of the area. So the area of a circle is pi r squared, so we put that right there. See it? So our angle is 90 over 360 times pi times r squared. R is 4. So 4 squared is 16, so we take 90 times 16, ignore pi again for now, all over 360. 90 times 16 is 1440. The zeros cancel. 144 over 36 is 4. Stick the pi back in and you get 4 pi. That is it. For most of you, this video is the last one that you need. Let me know if you need any help on anything.